What if you could drive straight into the heart of the 1970s, but with the power and precision of today? That's exactly what Porsche has done with the 911 Spirit 70. And trust me, this isn't just a car, it's a time machine on wheels. Limited to just 1,500 units worldwide, the Spirit 70 is built on the 911 Carrera GTS Cabriolet platform. Only this version packs something extra special under the hood. A newly developed 3.6-liter boxer engine, paired with an e-turbo and electric motor, cranks out 541 horsepower and 610 newton-meters of torque. Yep, it's got hybrid power, but make no mistake, this thing is still pure Porsche. The exterior? Absolutely stunning. That deep olive neo paint was made just for this model. Add in the bronzite accents, black soft top, and those throwback stripes across the hood. And it's like the 1970s just pulled up to the present in style. Even the Porsche crest on the front looks like it time-traveled from 1963. Take a closer look and you'll spot the Porsche exclusive manufacturer badges, that iconic round start number on the doors, and gold-plated lettering on the back. Every inch of this car is oozing heritage and attention to detail. Now step inside, and boom, you're greeted by the legendary Pasha pattern, black and olive neo, moving like a checkered flag frozen mid-race. It covers the seats, door panels, and even the glove box. It's retro, it's bold, and it's surprisingly comfy thanks to modern materials. Even the instrument cluster mixes the past with the future. White pointers, green numbers, and a digital rev counter that pays homage to the old Porsche 356. There's even a matching sport chrono stopwatch with that same vintage flair. And for the true collectors, Porsche Design created a custom chronograph just for Spirit 70 buyers. It's got that same Pasha vibe on the dial, so your wrist can match your ride. Oh, and one more thing. If you happen to have an Apple Vision Pro, Porsche is launching a new app that lets you step into the 70s and build your dream Spirit 70 in full augmented reality. Yeah, this car is a whole experience. So what do you think? Would you cruise this retro rocket on the weekends or lock it away as a future classic? Let us know what you do in the comments.
World Cars.